Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Devi again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be looking at how you can deposit funds onto the Probit exchange and how we can use the deposited funds to buy ETHPLUS coins. So, as you know, for those of you who missed Bitcoin Vault, I wouldn't want you to miss on ETHPLUS. This is the new baby on the block, and it is rising at a very tremendous speed. If we can look at its progress here, you can see from 6th July it has been going up and up and up and up. It was just 6th July, it was just $1.03. 10th August, $5. If you look at 17th August, $5. 24th August, $19. So it is rising up and up and up and up. So I'm going to be using a few funds to just buy the ETHPLUS. So so far it is listed on the Probit exchange, and this is a new account I've just opened up. As you can see, the balances, all of them are zeros. So you can deposit in Bitcoin, Ethereum. So Bitcoin and Ethereum are basically the major coins that you can deposit here that are known. So you can deposit in Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, all these other ones you can deposit using it. So in this tutorial, I'm going to just deposit using Bitcoin. So I've opened up here, so it will bring the address here, and here there is some important notes that you need to take note of, that this address is only for Bitcoin. If at all you want to deposit using Ethereum, you have to choose Ethereum, as you can see here. And still here they will tell you that the address is only for Ethereum. If you deposit Bitcoin here, your funds will get lost, and there is no way these guys will be able to recover it. So I'm going to use Bitcoin here. So this is the address. I'm going to scan this and deposit. So I'm going to come back in a short while after the funds have been added here. Alright, I'm back now and the funds have been added in BTC. So now what I've noticed here is that the deposits in BTC take a longer time compared to what I've heard about Ethereum. I've heard that in Ethereum, the deposits are instant. So they normally take around 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes to be added to your balances. So I've waited for around 20 minutes for this BTC to be added, and I have so far have around $69 or $70 BTC. So now we are going to proceed and we buy some ETHPLUS tokens or coins. So what we do here, we go to the exchange. It will open like that. It is taking long. Yeah, we are in, and here we choose the balance where our funds are. So this is Tether, this is BTC, this is Ethereum, and all those other tokens. So we choose BTC and we choose the pair that has got BTC. So you can see it is ETHPLUS / BTC. So we choose that pair. Now after choosing it, it will appear here like this. So what you do, now we want to buy. This is the buy section, as you can see it. And what we need to do with the balance I have, it is around $69 or $70. So these guys up here in red, the ones who are selling, and these ones here are the ones who are buying. So you choose any of these ones here. For example, if I'm to go with this, you click on that, and then you put in the amount of ETHPLUS that you want to buy. So from this example, with the previous balance I have, if I put in 2 ETHPLUS, or we can use the entire balance. So let me just put in 2. Let me begin with 2 ETHPLUS. So I've put in 2, then I click on buy. Now the field order has been filled, trade executed, order submitted. So we have been able to buy some ETHPLUS coins. Yeah, so if I'm to go to wallet, it will have to appear there. As you can see, now I have some ETHPLUS. I have 2 ETHPLUS tokens worth 53.23 US dollars. So with that all said, that is how we buy ETHPLUS coins from Probit exchange. And you guys, you should pay attention to ETHPLUS, because the way it is rising, if you want to make some fast money here, you should get a few of your Ethereum or BTC and buy some of these coins. And after they are rising value, you can be able to sell and make off some profits from it. So in another video, I'll come back and see how this coin is going. If I'm to refresh this page here, let us see, it has been at 26.38. Now it is 26.44. So you can see, just within a few minutes, the coin is rising. So guys, that is how we buy ETHPLUS. And if we are to look at Bitcoin Vault, where is it? Bitcoin Vault. There has been a dump in Bitcoin Vault. If you are to look at this here, as you can see, it was over $400, then it dumped. What does this dump mean? People made their profits and people are taking out their profits. So you might find that there are some guys who invested big here at the whales that took out huge amounts of profits, causing this dump in the prices. So I am sure that the same thing is going to happen to ETHPLUS. So it's better to jump in now and make some quick money around it. So that's it I had, guys. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. I will be very glad if you do that. And you also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any other video from me. See you in another video.